Hi there, it's Annie Lou. Look what I have, the Art Snacks box for March 2019. It's Saturday, March 2nd, and it just came in the mail. What's creepy is I was on my computer and I got a text. Not a text, I got an email message saying my box was delivered. I think that's a little creepy, even though I'm glad to get it. So let's open this up and take a peek inside. Okay, so there was this one thing that I didn't know what it was. It was sort of a guessing game, a sneak peek as they put it over there at Art Snacks. And it is a pin. It says Official Art Snacker. And it is really cute. Very sweet with the official emblem. The Twisted Pencil. It's a heart pencil. That's what it is. Uh-oh, I see something wonderful. I see a bottle of ink. Ecoline. Liquid watercolor. Whoa. And a great color. It's red. So I will be able to get, I can't get it open. I will be able to get a lot of different hues from this, different levels on watercolor paper. This is going to be beautiful. And, oh, there I go. All right, so I will test that. Lolly, a Dum Dum. It's a mystery flavor. Okay, we like mysteries. And the official Art Snack sticker and the menu. So let's see. The liquid watercolor, $6.95. Possibilities are endless. It's not waterproof when dry, so you can work it a little further by re-wetting. It has a very short drying time. You can decrease its intensity by thinning with water. Pair it with your new Ecoline brush pen for a dynamic creative experience. And I am looking forward to having that dynamic experience. Let's see what's in the little, this is like getting a gift every month. I love that it's wrapped up. I just like it. Oh. Okay, so the first thing is a pencil. Swiss made, Swiss wood. Let's see. All right, a Swiss wood pencil, $5.45. Okay, so it's a graphite pencil. If you sniff the tip of the dark beech wood, you'll get a whiff of brown sugar. So let's see if that's true. I don't know. I can't decide if I can whiff it or not. All right, so we'll be doing that on paper. And this is another one. Oh, this one smells like something. All right, so we have two. A King Art ink line pen. It looks like it's yellow. It is yellow. Okay, ink line, fine line, color ink pen. And this is archival waterproof ink in here, so I like that. And now this brush, a brush pen. Oh. All right, I am going to get my paper out and we will try these things. Introducing Royal Talons Ecoline Liquid Watercolor Pen. Full of the same concentrated formula found in your new bottle, this brush pen has brilliant, transparent color that will liven up your artwork, seamlessly transition from bottle to pen, and make precise lines or energetic strokes. Dip the pen's tip directly into the bottle to experiment with graduation. Not graduation, gradation. You know what I mean. Okay, so let me get some paper and see how these things work. So I have some Canson watercolor paper, and I have a palette. And the first thing I'm going to do is, I'm assuming this is the pine because it's white. Very nice. And I have a stump. I love blending things out. Oh yeah, it blends out nice. Look at that. So gradual. Very good. Now I'm thinking that these are, they're the same pencil, just that the casing is different. The next thing is I need to get some water. I got my water and I want to show you this really cute mug. Well, it's actually for cream, I guess, that my daughter got for me when she was in Spain. And I like having it on my art table. It's nice to have pretty things on your table when you're working. So now I am going to use the brush pen by Ecoline, and mine's an orangey color. So I'm just going to, that's on the side. You know, this would be really good if you were into like calligraphy printing or that fancy color printing. You can get different thicknesses. All right, and it's a watercolor. So, yep. Oh, it blends out really good. Yeah, it gets away. It gets away. There are no lines. It really does blend out the lines that I laid down. Very nice. So if I put some over here and go in, make a watercolor. Nice. Actually, it is lovely. Just lovely. And then I have the Inkline pen. Now this is the one that said it was permanent. Very, very light. So I'll add the water, and it's not going to move. You can't even see this. It doesn't move. It's an 05, so the line is really, really fine. So I like this pen. I would love to have it in black. So I'll have to go to the Art Snacks store and see if they have it. This is watercolor. Put some in there. I'll make a couple of puddles. First I'll try it full strength. Oh, it's very deep. It's like a nice dark, dark cherry. Oh yeah. And let's add some water to it. It does dry fast. Now I'm going to add some water to it directly and see if I can get even something lighter. My most favorite medium is acrylic paints. I'm learning to use the watercolors. I like letting things run, and they create their own little designs. Okay, I'm going to have to put my thinking cap on and see what I can come up with. Thank you for joining me. This is part 1. There will be a part 2. I was just so excited to get this today. It is a snowy day. I live in Rhode Island, so we're having snow now. It's Saturday. And then they said that we're getting more snow Sunday night, Monday. Maybe I'll have a snow day from work. I doubt it, but maybe. All right. Well, thank you for joining me. Please subscribe. Hit the bell, as they say. And I wanted to tell you that I was the every month at Art Snacks they pick a winner for a free monthly art snack. So I got an email saying I was the winner. So thank you, Art Snacks. It's nice to get a credit on my credit card every once in a while. That was a great, great surprise. All right, you take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.